In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. We'll be walking through the step-by-step process to ensure your documents are thoroughly redacted and secured from unwanted visibility. Redacting is a great way to protect sensitive information before sharing a PDF, and we're going to make this process as seamless as possible for you. So, let's dive right in. First up, you want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you're using Adobe Acrobat Pro, as the redaction tool is not available in the standard version. Once you've launched the software, simply open your file from the start screen or use the file menu to locate and select the PDF you need to work on. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Tools tab located on the left-hand side of the screen. From the array of available tools, click on Redact. This will open up the redaction tools, which allow you to selectively hide or obscure parts of your document. The great thing about Acrobat is its intuitive interface, which makes the redaction process fairly straightforward. Now it's time to get down to the details of redaction. Using your mouse, click and drag over the sections, whether it's text or images, that need to be redacted. Acrobat provides a preview of the redacted area, allowing you to reconfirm that you've selected all the necessary parts. This step is crucial, so take your time to ensure you don't miss anything critical. Remember, once redacted and saved, this process is irreversible, so it's best to double check before applying the changes. After you've marked all the areas you wish to redact, move on to the next step by clicking on Apply right from the toolbar. This action will initiate the redaction, but don't worry, you're still in control, as there's a confirmation step to follow. A confirmation prompt will appear at this point. It's essentially Adobe Acrobat's way of making sure you're ready to proceed with the changes you've made. Once you're all set, go ahead and click Continue. This step effectively finalizes the redaction, clearing all the selected content securely. Finally, it's time to save your redacted document. Click the Save button, usually found at the upper left of the interface, or use the shortcut Ctrl+S or CMD+S on Mac. Be sure to save your file with a new name or location to prevent overwriting the original document, maintaining a backup just in case you need the unredacted version later on. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to redact PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Remember, redaction is a powerful tool to ensure privacy and protect sensitive information, so use it wisely and always keep a version-controlled backup of your documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.